Throw a party that's extra charming with My Mind's Eye. Our charm bracelet kit comes in a set of 3 with all the tools you need to make these adorable charm bracelets. It's a fun activity and a gift they can take home. These charm gift boxes are the perfect way to send your guests home with a treat. Coordinating plates and napkins with gold foil details keep it extra charming. And brand new at My Mind's Eye, you can customize your party with digital invitations, tags, and posters. Set the stage for your party with our So Charming banner. It is super cute and has little jump rings just like a charm bracelet. Don't miss out on one of the hottest party trends this year. Head to mymindseye.com.